Should I speak about not on the car level? Yeah, I think no, it's prominent.
Wait.
No, it was very nice, man.
Imai, what is not to speak about?
That's why I'm asking, you know. But no, yeah, actually, nah. It's just that something happened at the house.
Oh, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Bombian, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master City Play. You know what it is.
And welcome to 034 Issues. Yes, Sirski, we back again in the new year, season 5, 2026. How you feeling? Basayibuza leyo nto le. Basayibuza.
Yeah, well, man, I don't know. I'm feeling kind of anxious. I feel like something big is coming, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Yeah. Big shout out to the people who've been supporting the boys. Being out there, sharing the stuff. You know, commenting, liking, subscribing as well. We are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Dang. Big shout out to the episode. Big shout out to him.
Yeah. Hey man, our first 10K and then it turned into 11K, 12K in like overnight. That's crazy, man.
Man, you know what it is.
Yeah.
And,
but another thing, man. As much as I want to thank the people for that, man.
Yeah.
I want to say something. I think it's very important for like people that are content creators and stuff. Yeah. When I learned the views make you. I want to like yenza ngathi like this thing is good because of the views. Yeah. And when you don't get enough views or the views that you want, or something. You should know something. The algorithm is the one that will push you. Sometimes we might think something will be big.
Yeah, seven my expectations.
You know when my expectations, and then the algorithm is like, "Hey, lose your poison."
Yeah.
And sometimes your luck, confess, the algorithm gives you 10K overnight.
So you live, you learn.
You learn.
Yeah. So something like I don't know what to call it, but I live the game. For sure. You know, to say people should keep on pushing.
Keep on pushing. Because 50 views is a lot, chief. Imagine 50 people in the same room.
It's not a lot. No.
It's not a lot.
No,
it is a lot. It is a lot. You know.
Phela 50 views ungayibukela nje wena
Okay, I see 50 authentic.
Just say 5K, dog.
50 authentic views is better than 5 fake views. 5K fake views. You feel me? You feel me?
The thing is, you can't fake 5K. You can fake 50.
You can't fake 5K.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
You can fake 50.
Yeah, but so 2026, new season. We're opening this in a bang. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
First thing first. So, before we introduce the guest, né? Shout out to Ubuntu Garden Lodge Lounge. Né?
Yes, sir.
Shout out to Ubuntu Garden Lounge. Situated la
Matatene, section 5. That's the location right now.
Section, I'm on section. I'm like, oh, section 1, but section 5.
I think when I shut it down, I guess.
Oh, football.
Not even.
Oh, it's Dennis Mauser.
Dennis Mauser. It's
Dennis Mauser.
originally from Smauser. Shout out.
Yeah. Shout out to the Smiles. Shout out to the
It smells like 03 bani,
Oh, 34 Smiles.
Oh,
No, I'm just
That's another province.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
It is brutal.
Ngama last one yes,
Castile, you know what I'm saying?
So anyways, it's in section 5.
Yeah.
Emuva, ngiyathi move.
Ngasezenzele.
Ngasezenzele nje yeah nje mawuthi nje mawuround nje uzoyibona umuntu lawo nje yabo. Pull up man, it's a fire sports Facebook for sure. Fire sports mawulana uzocabanga ukuthi apha park but see asikho lapha. Anyways,
ngathi intwana ayishale down.
Not at all, man.
hey man, asifuna ukintroduce ne.
Right.
Sifuna ukuvulela
The flow.
red carpet yabo or introduce wena to the people.
Oh shit.
Bulinde ukuthi yithi.
Yeah. I thought you did the homework.
No, the homework is there. The homework is there. Now your phone is also prepared.
No. I'm not trying to say that.
No, I'm joking.
But everyone, to all the viewers, Samgele, Melane, I'm originally from 034 Newcastle, but Mutuklala Ekole, you know, we're hustling and doing everything like that. Actually, my title just changed, you know. I when I say I'm a cinematographer, videographer, whatever, but I am now just in one category. I'm a multi-award winning director.
Yeah.
You know, so I think that's how I'm gonna introduce myself. Yeah, man, it's good to be here.
Good to be home.
Good to be home, not to be here. It's really good to be home, man. Yeah, the festive season was nice. It's a new year right now, you know what I mean? So yeah.
Hey man,
that's the car.
Yeah,
you know,
I don't know if I did a nice intro for myself, but I think as we go along, people will just do the intro for themselves. Who's this man? Because like really, I do a lot of things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I think that's another reason I was scared to introduce you because being out of of 5 I didn't want to say cinematographer or like photographer or like freelancer. And then I'm like, hey, I show you know, like what does he do? Because you do a lot, man.
Yeah. Just now I just ventured into being a producer, like literally. But I've been a producer like for the longest time ever since, you know. But then now it's a matter of now we're on the TV level and everything like that. You know, the podcast level, Eat This Kid Dine.
Shout out dope podcast
to the thing.
Dope podcast, especially for umuntu othanda ibhola so it's all great.
Ngidlalile futhi nebhola, ngidlalile na like kasi, ngadlalela ubeshe. Qala nje i-team yami uqala ngidlalela ubeshe la 4. Ngadlalela uTimothy. Ngadlalela uMthiza. Who else I played for? Yeah, only those 3 teams. I Simunye Mthiza. Yeah, Mthiza. Yeah, and then it is ngidlalela kakhulu, so that's why I think I understand the football and how I wanted. I want ukuthi abantu bayibone ngakhona Eat This Kid Dine yabo lento leyo. Because I'm also an editor of Eat This Kid Dine. Those short reels that you see there and stuff. Zenziwa ngefone lezo zinto on the go, you know. That's why it's so easy for me because the football space, I was literally there since birth, if I can say, you know. And then bese kwase kwafika tshwala ke yabona amantombazane high school pressure, and then I was like nah. You know, football, but I was like, nah. At the end of the day, I still need to come back to football, and then God just made that leeway to say, you know what, you don't need to play football, but you need to tell how, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah,
it all came full circle. Would you say that?
Yes. I mean, it was so amazing as well to it's amazing actually to produce this kind of stuff with the likes of Abohe, PJ,
Legend.
you know, yes, Opie knows,
Yeah.
you know, amazing people. We have Usitlem Tembo as well in the building. Usitlem Tembo, by the way, he's the guy. He wrote 8 episodes with season 2, Shaka Island.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
No. That's not small work shit. That's small fish.
Yabona, so ngiba humble kakhulu mfethu mangifikelwa abantu abakanjalo, ngihlangana nabantu abakanjalo ngaso sonke isikhathi. I become very happy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
I think so fair futhi kuleyo side la
No problem.
Oh yeah.
Alin.
Yeah, most definitely. Because now, it is hot.
Yeah.
I'm like summer. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
2026 sun.
Still summer, man.
But it's okay, man. Now we it's content. Yeah,
Big shout out. So as you were speaking about the intro, as to say, you guys stay tuned for 59 now because it's still gonna unpack some of the things you understand. Yes, it's a long list basically. So we're gonna talk about it very eventually as we come about with the podcast. So I want to start basically like where did it all start? You know, with this thing, it was you know picking up the camera, you know, starting your whole journey. Because I'm a researcher. Right now we are developing now, small by small. We have researchers now on the ground right now. You know, sniffing on you know what I'm saying?
You know what?
Yeah,
On the ground there.
the road, man, most strato. You understand? Yeah. So that's the class. So that's the thing. Guti, I heard Guti, you obtained a diploma in like media and television studies, something like that.
Yeah.
So I want you to unpack Guti. I say, how did it start? How did it come about? Because as well as a Austin type thing, you know, and to be quite honest, sihleli neskola, you understand?
So monogresis there. He knows what.
I'll be very honest on this. But before we get to the Boston Media House stuff, like I'm actually going with one of my friends, Tobega. She was reminding me that dude, ukwaqala ngokushutha utshani nje. Yabona nje, like I think there was the high school level, into matric. I would just shoot anything, nje, you know. And that's how it started. And then I realized what say, as in this thing needs my attention, you know. Hence I kind of failed matric, you know. This thing started back in 2014. But then officially 2015, I was really doing Berada Pictures. And then I opened the page. When I opened it, I would, as multi tombas is a celeb, Zakad, screenshot, crop, and then we editing a PixArt.
Okay.
So actually, PixArt is the start of Berada Pictures.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
PixArt. I used to master that thing like nobody's business because I would learn so many things each and every day. Whenever I'm editing, I'm like, oh, this is what you do with PixArt. Yeah, bro. So that's how it started. That's what started it. And then I'll take those pictures, re-edit them, then post them on my IG. IG. So say Instagram. Yeah.
Amantombazane laphana
Laba babhushuzelayo. Kodwa sikho lapha. But
that's crazy.
Yeah, so started that, and then I started seeing some reactions about Terry Preto. You know, liking my shit, they commenting, Kanye Mpao commenting. I'm like, bro, that time I'm still young bum. Oh, in fact. And then I was like, oh, okay. I think I need to continue with this page. And then I started, and then there was this thing, this other guy took his picture, re-edited it, and he was like, nah, dog, copyright shit, whatever, no, remove that. And then that's where I started to say, what's this copyright thing? And then I started creating my own stuff. Shooting amablomu, shoot abantu, just re-editing stuff. And then it went on to they wanted me to do teaching,
Yeah.
I was mad.
Traditionalist.
I was mad. I feel like there's some tradition shit in the teaching level. Yeah, but I was like, no. I'm from Moshimali, because
He's honest. I respect
Yeah,
him.
no,
I'm very honest,
like
bro.
that, man, yeah.
I'm very honest. I'll be very honest with that. But I think what happened was I got huge support from my mom, to say, you know what, dude, I'm giving you this chance.
Yeah.
And then luckily, I posted me the house. First year, got distinctions, and not only distinction posted, you get 10% off that specific distinction. So I got like 4 distinctions out of 8 subs. So you can imagine 40% off. Second year, that's when I started like venturing into music videos.
Okay.
Like I called Kanjipeti Tombe, and then 2018, 2019, I just pushed all of those things: music videos, short films, short documentaries. You know what I mean? All those little things as a video on Jefet. And then I ventured into it. I think I was in photography for a very short time as a professional head of stuff, but I was there in like I think 2-3 years out of the 10 years of experience that I have.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's say 11 years now because it's 26, right? Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, Hosi, like, who are the inspirations? I'm pretty sure Hosi, like, ngobusho waqala like from the dirt, like ushuza nje lokho okuncane, I'm pretty sure zikhona abantu ababona bakwenza on like a high level,
Alright, but I'm trying to remember, but the thing is also I don't want to lie and say, no, this guy inspired singing as I think my biggest inspiration was myself, Uguti, how I want people to look at what my eyes looking at, you understand? So I think I was my first biggest inspiration.
I like that.
Before I went out and saw some people, and stuff like that. But outside of me, I think Offense Mwase. He's a real OG. I also forget.
Tits.
Oh, Tits. Yeah, Tits. Yeah.
That's an OG right there.
Yeah, got cool. So
not my favorite chiefs, but it's fine.
I'm also a Kosi fan. What are you saying? What are you saying?
So Vali
I want to show you something. I want to show you something.
So Vali podcast manje.
And Elenu wale part.
Obviously from the Chiefs hater. Angeke vele kuwe khona positive, but I have seen.
Liluka nje Calling Black Label.
Yo, Leo Calling Black Label
Who the hell cares about that?
His sponsors are World Cup, by the way. But as usual,
one of the sponsors.
One of the not the Kufe Cup or something or whatever you guys win.
Let's go.
Okay, so Offensive Mwase.
Offensive Mwase, man. Really, I think I was looking up to them. Abo Monde Dube. Monde Dube. I remember there was this Big Brother that happened. Bombali, about K2. And then they did a music video in the house.
Okay.
I think that gave me an experience beforehand to say, you know what, let me do this. And then, I'm also rolling with my brother here. We used to take an iPhone. That's how it started, just that's how I'm saying mostly the inspiration came from what I wanted.
From the creative side.
Yeah, I was like, it came from me not stopping what I want to do, you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah. I hope I answered you all well. Because I don't want people to say now, usengigodli untwana yimi ngangimtshela isithombe. Cha ngishaye nje vele isithombe kodwa
No, 2026 in that we deal with honesty, yabona, and we respect our opinions about and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I can do writing what I've learned, the truth shall set you free.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying.
Facts.
So Abantu, they come here. This is a comfortable space, by the way. You sit down with
Ubuntu
us.
Lounge.
Man, it is a nice place, man.
Most definitely. Nice and a cool place to speak your truth. Yeah, but you're
Speaking about Ubuntu 034. Both.
At this point, both. Yeah,
Yeah.
For sure.
Because I'm very much relaxed. My first time I interview and I'm very much relaxed. I don't know if good things ekhaya and ngale mele ngishaye isingisi manje.
No, okunye yazini, I think I don't wanna like gas myself or ourselves so too much. But I feel like we
Please gas yourself. That's what helped me.
Is it?
Gas myself.
So
that's what I'm saying. I was
humble.
my biggest inspiration.
Fuck being humble, man.
No.
Yeah.
Not fuck being humble. Fuck downplaying.
Okay.
You're gonna
Because I'm still humble as fuck.
Yeah.
Sure.
Stop downplaying yourself.
But you know how big you are. That's the thing. Like
yes.
Yeah.
And that's what's gonna make you humble.
Yeah, that's true. I think we are conscious of that. Because we understand our influence, bro. So what I think we also give a space for guests.
Took me a bit like you. I mean, it's not tense. Yeah. It's not like other podcasts.
But we know other podcasts.
Yeah, so
that's why
they
don't allow that space or like the energy is not bouncing.
And crazy enough, I only watched 2 or 3 episodes of your.
Thanks.
And then but I've just been liking. If I see something and then I don't know it, I just been liking.
Yeah, I know it's been noticed.
So I'm I didn't do my research or whatever, because I knew my 034 is home, you know what I mean? And that's where we need to speak our truth and inspire the youth, you know what I mean? Yeah, not just plug and play, but plug and teach.
Thanks. I like that. You want like, we have like a good selection of heights on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have a good selection of my guests here. But we're like, our guests are actually always on that level. You see, not because now I'm big outside Newcastle means that I'm bigger than Newcastle. I'm bigger than everything.
You'll never be bigger
than the city.
Even your parents, your family. You'll never even be bigger than your child. See how crazy is that?
Yeah, that's right.
You understand? So you'll never be bigger than life. That's why you need to respect people, respect everything, Abantu bangaboni kuthiwa hey useyileke phesheya ngizombona usehamba kanjani. No. Abayibuza ukuthi athi umuntu edelela athi akakazi wena phesheya. Uhleke nakhona, yabona lento leyo. So he's there kanjalo, like let the work speak for itself.
You believe then we always have this conversation. I'm always against Limpas and Yoguti. But see, success is the best revenge. Or but because let the work speak for itself. Success is the best revenge. Where's your stance when you're afraid that success is your best revenge?
It's only a revenge when it is the end. Success is because it is the end.
Yeah.
That's why I said in the first place that I am my biggest. I was my biggest own inspiration. But as a cool appeal, you just detach from yourself.
Yes.
And then you start plugging from other people's energy to say, oh dog, hey dog, you good, you know what I mean? And then that's why you keep going as well. But if you depend on people to say, no, this is I think the people that say such words are the people that are looking for validation. Because you say, who the hell cares if you're successful or not? Nobody cares. Like nobody cares, bro. Like For instance nje aninandaba nina ukuthi umntwana uhambe kanjani but nihleli naye umntwana uyayibona nto le it really doesn't matter. So if it matters then kusho ukuthi namuntu engifuna ukubalayo no ayisebenzi kanjalo impilo ayispan kanjalo, you know. So it's really one of those things. What was your question again? My mind is fucked.
No. Yeah, no. You actually answered. Yeah, you answered.
Oh yeah.
Where we stand.
Angithi we touched lento lokuthi you've met a lot of celebrities and whatnot, yabo.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi noma ukhona lo ongasho ukuthi like stands out, who stands out, ne? Who like taught you something or like gave you game ongakazi ukhohlwe namanje.
Yo, a lot of people came again, but I was very much struck by the humbleness of Black Coffee.
Yeah, shout out to
Yeah. Yo, he was very humble. Like we were doing this Mercedes-Benz advert. I was still working for Cheeky Media. Cheeky Media also owns the ETV morning show live.
Yeah.
So I was also there. So I got an opportunity to work with a lot of artists there, you know. But yo, man, that nigga was very much humble for the amount of money that he has. I wouldn't think that somebody would have been so humble. He was saying, hey, bro, like, you see how we are working together right now, type shit. So he was like, come from this. You'll see me nicely there. I'm like, oh, hey. I'm like, hey, this hood man, you know, he doesn't have that thing. You don't know what you're saying. You don't know what you're doing. You know.
Yeah.
Also, I'll give shout out to Touchline. Touchline.
Touchline.
That's my boy. That's my boy. That's not my boy. That's my brother.
Yeah.
He also taught me a lot of things, but not by speaking. For him, it's a show, don't tell. Like, he would show me how you should move when you're just prominent and famous and whatever.
Yeah.
He didn't tell me how to, you know, say. He never spoke like that. We've never had that deep conversation, but we've had those events where we would attend to each other's whatever, you know, and then I would learn from whatever he's doing, and then also I would like to believe he also learns from whatever, you know. Who else? But this guy's not a celeb. Wala Newcastle, shout out to Monji Tusi. Nigga made it on Generations debut. Yeah, it's our generation from Newcastle.
Is it the third person or second?
I think it's the second.
Second.
Yeah. First one was Six. Shout out to Six as well. She's very cool.
Yeah.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Never look down on anything, on anybody. Yo, shout out to Happy Chele. You know, who Happy? Yeah, we fight a lot, but we brothers. Yeah, that's my brother.
Yeah, Captain.
Kapute. Ngitshele ngithi endoda 400 games uzalele lo. Hey, kade yabona nje. We are
Passionate fan also.
You know what I mean?
Passionate, yeah.
You
No, ngisho ukuthi just
fan of Pirates?
Yeah. What do you mean?
No,
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm also a passionate fan of the Pirates.
oh.
Yeah, passionate.
Ningali.
Yeah. Passionate.
Hey, yeah, super that thing there. Ngokwina nje.
Yeah,
But anyway,
yeah.
but let me say 80% of soccer players, 90 that I've met and came across was thank you so much. Oh man, this is very nice.
That's so cool. That's so
Shout out to the Ubuntu Lounge.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Just saying again.
Can you just have 3 for now?
I'm always
And then you
starstruck,
can-
guys.
and then you can have
Ngivele
2 for those.
ngazizunguzini.
Yeah. But anyways,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You also met Umapensel.
Yo!
Imali, wait.
Yo, I was. Yo.
Umakhwenzela isn't he from here?
No.
He's not from
Correct.
here,
No. He's not from here. I forgot where he's from.
Yeah.
But I remember the first time I met him, for him to be on our show, I met him at the these awards? Shining Star Awards. So I was shooting those awards, and then he won an award there. And then I was like, hey, don't interview Nyana Vele, because I was the head of the thing. How my Puma failed to I'm getting interview. I was like, dog, the executive producer and co-founder of It Is Kitain. I would really, really, really like you to interview you on It Is Kitain, because I feel like you're gonna inspire a lot of people, you know what I mean?
Fancy shit.
You know what I mean? So I was like, that guy, dog. And then fast forward, and then it came. Fast forward, we were nominated on the same awards in Rwanda.
Yeah. Shout out.
You know what I mean? And then I was like, and then we're supposed to fly together. Then obviously it was busy as well, and I was also held up. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, those are the celebs. Like I could name a lot. I could name a whole lot. Yabo. Mhlampe about few engahlangana nabo engingangibuza bona ukuthi ubani oxhomayo. Yabo.
Yeah.
Ngizobaceba Italian yaxhoma nini. Ufuna abanye bazenza ama celeb nje. Bengasiwo nje nama celeb.
Ufuna uku-announce?
Let me know now.
Okay, ngizo management lapha.
No. Manage ithi cha.
Yeah.
No.
But at one point, I wanted to be you, ne?
Yeah.
Which I don't want to not say this, bro. You know when you met Naida Nakai?
Oh shit.
That's low-key home code though. You know,
Should I speak about on the not on the car level? Yeah, I think no, it's prominent.
Wait.
No, it was very nice, man.
Imai, what is not to speak about?
That's why I'm asking, you know. But no, yeah, actually, nah. It's just that something happened at the house. Some girls wanted to steal me away there.
Hey.
Then her manager asked me, he's like, those girls, they bafuna ukuhamba nabo, uyabazi. What uyabazi abantu bafuna ukuhamba nabo?
What's in?
Ngathi angibazi, wathi anything happens to you ungangifaki.
Yini ngenzeka kuwe bafo? Yini le ngenzeka kuwe?
Engenzeka kimi. Bafo, they could sell me, you know, kwemningi.
What was your trophy you got?
Yeah.
Facts.
Hey,
bro, sure.
But not under her watch.
Yeah.
You know, because she asked me.
Yeah.
Nigga, because she asked me, she's like, nah.
Yeah.
We are buzzing the band hamba nabo. Thank you. What we are buzzing the hamba nabo? Like, I'm buzzed. Like, and if anything happens to you, I'm not your responsibility. Because I came with her. So Nadia, how I met Nadia was through TTO. There's a guy actually called TTO. Shout out to TTO. He's so amazing. He works at 947.
Okay. Yeah.
So we used to go to posting together, and then we would create content, just like content outside. Kanjengamanje, sifike sibonise indawo, and then interview people. And then we did the first sports scene show. Sports scene. That's how. And then masenza leyo shandisi kanti i-brand manager that's sports scene. Manager and a car, and then she was like, nah, I like your vibe, I like your thing. And then we did Naida Naked. There's a thing called
That's the name of the project.
The song.
Yeah, the project. No, the project.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the
Okay. Yeah. You did Naked.
I lang super let direct. I'm gay. So, Naida Naked was a show on Channel O where Naida was interviewing hip hop artists.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was shooting that. You know, it's a whole lot of crew. Yeah. And then there was a watch party, whatever, of that thing. And then I was there. Then that's why you saw that photo of me and Nadia, you know.
I won't lie, I felt jealous.
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Don't, dog.
Ah man.
That was
You know what's funny about these things is because you can feel jealous, nah? But once you meet that person and then they become very nice to you and they become genuinely nice to you, you'll be like, nigga.
Yeah, ne.
Well, jealous
Pointless, ne?
it's not special.
You know, speaking about Ronaldo, man.
Sharp.
We were on the same platform now. Remember
Oh, Earground, yeah. See,
we got
been pushing.
we got like an interview. Was it 2022? 2022, yeah. We got an interview. Like the same platform. I like to think it's like the biggest platform in Southern Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Earground. Yeah, bro.
Okay.
I think it's based in Zimbabwe.
Konje very nice from that side. Yeah.
Gatekeeper.
Ngabutho. Damn, that's a nice name.
Yeah, dog. You feel me?
Why don't you use that a lot?
That's a nice name, bro.
Canulizwa manje.
No, what's it? I'm trying to the vibe.
He's lying.
This man.
Anyways.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, we got on the same platform, where she got an interview in the Earground. And now see, like, was it a few months later? We got an interview called Earground, which is so big for us.
Yeah.
So that's where we.
Yeah.
So with no man, yaphile kazi kalele media.
Yeah.
Because we saw if we can get recognition from outside
Yeah.
the country. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So
Big shout
I
to
basifakela ama-ice la.
Yeah.
Son, angithi ngizothenga. Basifakela ama-ice. Bayithathele plan. Zibeka ngale. Asifune ama-ice.
Yeah, big shout out to Boz.
Yeah, okay,
King
Boz,
Boz,
man. Ungabutho naye.
His
His
name
name
is
is Ungabutho. Imagine.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So yeah, just to wrap it up now. We firstly want to know what can we expect.
Well,
Okay.
we have to congratulate first.
My brother.
We have to congratulate first.
Yeah.
In Debe.
Yes. There was
You have something in
awards.
common with Pirates.
Yes.
In Debe. Something common.
Yeah, well, you know what's going on?
Shaman boy.
Yeah, I couldn't tell.
Pirates, just say it.
Yeah, I couldn't tell. It was, I wouldn't even say it was almost simple. Because I don't want to, downplay some awards. Essentially, just didn't like how they were not professional. The other ones, I won't name them, but I won't lie.
Yeah, you can proceed it.
Can I ask a question again, Matak?
You said you didn't like how unprofessional some awards were.
Yeah. I didn't like how some awards were so unprofessional. I won't name drop. I'm not that kind of person. I'll only name drop if you really fuck me over.
Okay.
But if I see that you did a mistake,
it is
like,
what it is.
yeah, it is what it is. So that's when I'm approach. If it's ngeke ngashuta, ngisaqala ukushuta ngashuta umncwabo. Mangifika nje endlini akuna nix. Sengidilithile mina ngaformatha ngenza yonke. Akuna fuck all. So that was a genuine mistake. So that's what made me forgive people mabenza amaphutha.
Especially with less spaceless, you make a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, but you shouldn't do a lot.
Yeah, you shouldn't.
Yeah, you shouldn't do a lot. Because some manje ama mistake kwamanje mawenza mistake. We are trained out. Sephelile ngawo. Sesikubona usudla idluwe starting.
You can go as fast as that.
Yeah, like literally.
As fast.
Yeah. You know what I mean? So at least you get what I'm saying. Yeah. So yo man.
It's telling how I
wish.
How did they make you feel?
Oh, the awards made me feel very special. Motivated me a lot. Kept me on the ground a lot. To say to show don't tell. Show. For me like last year was a show don't tell year for me. You've told us maybe stories wise, whatever, told us through different channels to say in fact, but you know, to show was the awards, the recognition. I think the biggest one was the Influential Man of the Year, 2025. I was amongst doctors, engineers, whatever. I was the only one from the media space, you know. So for me, that recognition was like, yo, no. I really inspire, even though I'm tapping for me, it really showed that the work continues. It's a luta continua situation.
Essay.
Xa besitsho kanjena kini ancho. Yeah.
Ancho pen.
Yeah.
That's some insider shit.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
The way you from Malawi?
No, 100%.
100% states.
No,
100%.
no, 100% Zulu.
Yeah. By the way, we love all nations. By the way.
Yeah.
But
We are very diverse here.
we are very diverse. This is the only podcast in Newcastle that I've seen like multiple cultures.
KZN.
Yeah, I mean, it's KZN is
KZN.
Newcastle, man. Yeah.
Stop.
Stop in. Tapping
Listen,
in.
money are cool. You
Yeah.
say we're the best. We're the best in.
In 034.
Not all 34. We are the best in KZN.
In KZN, yeah. Yeah, to be fair, we are.
Yeah.
To be fair, we are. Ngisho ne-Afra ayiboni la.
Whether it's not fair, it's not fair, or it's fair. Mina kimi, iDiskidine is the biggest football.
That's kind of
It's the biggest South African podcast. Football podcast. Mzansi.
Ramzans in Africa.
I said that while that shit was on 20 followers. I'm like, this shit is the biggest.
Hey, Baba, you have to
Yeah,
believe
very
it.
good. See, you like fuck being humble. I trust myself. I trust my process. You know. So it's a good motive and motto. One can take it and run with it. Imsebenzele futhi. If you believe yourself, mfethu. Not your good to find anybody to believe you. Validation from outside.
Yeah.
Shit
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
I
But
understand.
you know what I can say to the young kids, man, is believe in yourself. Build, create, sweat, cry,
Yeah.
and win. Oh shit, those things were just created now, eh? Yeah, it really comes from the
Funny thing enough,
bottom of
there's
my
a
heart.
boozer now who's like, what can you tell the kids out there? And you just did it.
And you just did it,
Man,
man.
no man. You
like
see,
that.
I like the energy.
The
I like
energy,
the energy.
yeah.
I like the energy. Yeah. Should have been here very last year.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that
You're
I'm
busy,
here.
though, so busy. First, you're busy, man, so we understand. My
Yeah.
schedule is better first.
Yeah. No, sibhizi dog, ne? But sometimes sisanokwenza ngathi sibhizi. Singekho busy. Angikhulumi
He's being
ngokuthi
very honest.
Yeah, dog.
Very, very honest.
yeah, sanokwenza ngathi hayi umuntu busy. Ungekho busy mfethu. Kanti ufuna yini peace of mind.
Yeah, facts.
Usidinga wena ngoba uma uphumula awukwazi phela uma uphumula sophumulela abantu. Ufuna uma uphumula uyiphumulele wena. You understand?
Well said.
Ube uphumulani nje.
Big shout out. Big shout out.
Let me check something.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Anything else? I think we're good now.
I think we're good, man.
We're
I think
good, man.
It was a genuine conversation.
Yeah.
And sangibuza ukuthi kunama ex ayingakho eNewcastle bathi hayi nayi
Siyazi phela ukuthi wena umshayi wazo so manje.
Isithombe. Mshayi wasithombe.
Showcase.
Oh.
That's exactly what I meant.
All right.
That's exactly what I meant.
I
Umshayi peak.
yeah.
Umshayi peak.
What you saying me?
Oh, Kofits.
Yeah.
Yeah, my God.
Hey, this one is a new one. Ne?
It's a new one.
Aye,
Not
it's
a
a new-
normal one.
It came the
Not
new
a normal
level,
one.
new wave.
Izenenye.
Ne? Shout out to that one. Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
toast to a good year, 2026.
Yes,
Something
sir.
big is coming.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Let's
sir.
toast to it.
To the 034, to everyone. I mean, like, Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Let's fucking make history, make everything, you know, because,
Let's win.
I mean, fana ngizenye ingoma izolo fethu egroovini. Ithi mhlambe sijayiva kwama last, you know, like I always live my life like it's the last time.
To the
Of
finish.
course, you'll never know. You know what I mean? Especially in this day and age where you get all those celebrities that are going to athathe inombolo. You understand? And mina ngabe ngikuthi kube inombolo dala ngayithatha. Kodwa angikho good. Ngisasehambule ngisasendleleni. Izintwana nje zingathanda izinto.
Yeah.
Abathanda izinto manje balele umhlabathi le kanje. Ngoba ngelela ngokubiza ube witness ku stand box witness amanyala. Kanti kube nje awuvumanga nje.
You witnessed the fact.
Kuyasiza ukube nesibindi empilweni, especially in the media industry.
Yeah.
You know, media industry, you don't have friends in media industry. You know, you have partners. And partners should have the same interest as everyone else so that everything can just go in order, you know. Like, Chance, I won't lie, like, I feel like I'll go on the whole fucking day.
I can feel that. I can
You
feel
know,
that.
you know, and just chill, go into part 2.
Yeah.
Sambe, siye kuphi siphinde sibuye yabo. But anytime Chance, I'm opening this platform anytime when I'm here, I'm available. Mangekho busy. I'll come through, Chance, just to, you know, give school to whatever, you know, because the kids need it, you know.
Yeah.
The kids need it. These kids are growing up on my phone in JP, so you're exposed to ass. You know what I mean? Instead of being exposed to Ebola, wrestling, and everything like that. You know what I mean? So it's very much different. So it's balekile indlela ukhule ngayo, but also noma ngaba ukhula ngendlela ufuna ngayo. Izinto ethola ngaphandle estradini zishintshe izenze ezakho zizobenefit yabo. Yeah. So yeah, no. Nekibatla utsho ntwe ufela.
Aye.
Yes sir.
I confess you gave us game. Ironically. But I mean, siyabonga mfethu for pulling up to the pod, to the #1 podcast in Newcastle. Yabo.
#1 podcast KZN.
Yeah, but please say should I hashtag man. #1 podcast.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Last year.